Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, try it, Najdorf. Let's get him thinking with H5 here. Hack attack. Hopefully I'll get him thinking a bit, at least. He's not thinking that much though. Was there G6? G6 might be dangerous. I wonder if he had that. G6. Yeah. I'll give my knight E6. Better take that. I think, well, my knight's got E6, isn't it? There's Queen D4 check here, that's interesting.
Check.
Oh, I can take his knight on the rook. Is he blundered? Take this to try and get my king a bit safer. Oh, there's Queen D5 check.
Check.
Is there King G6? Right, he's got the pin piece here. His knight's, his queen's hanging. I think that's good.
Check.
No, rook D8. Oh. Okay, is there King H7? Oh my god. Bishop F5, King H6. No, Bishop F5. I'm getting mated, aren't I? I've just gone into something very, very horrible. How did I do that? That's incredible. So King H7 is Bishop F5 check. I've got no escape with my king, have I? Crikey. What did I do? Bishop F5 check, there's no G6. Oh my word. I've just gone into a horrible discovered check. Yeah,
Check.
But I don't know what else to do. Am I getting mated? Oh. Did he calculate that very quickly or something? Well, my king was a bit exposed, I guess. His queen's in an ideal place for cutting out escape squares. What? Can I take here? I've got knight G4 and stuff.
Check.
No, I haven't. I might just be mated. Oh god, he's winning the queen. I'm going to get a load of pieces for the queen. Knight G4's not on. King H6 is not on. Not too many legal moves.
Check. 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 Check.
Oh, I think I'm unfortunately being mated.
Check.
I've got that bad feeling. Being mated on G5.
Checkmate.
Didn't see any of that. Ah, I didn't see any dangers like that after winning the rook. Crikey. What was that about?
Check.
No, that's okay. Oh no. Can I just... Yeah. Alright. I wish it would go away. I just want to have a look at this. So what did he play this? Oh, it's a mate. Alright, King E8. Alright, yeah, just King E8. I might have, where did I do this? Oh, Rook G5. Yeah, I didn't see this at all. Right, so just King E8.
Check.
And then, I don't know, everything's like hanging, isn't it? Yeah. It's just, I miss Rook G5. I don't know, I need more caffeine or something. It is an early game. I don't know what he's doing here. It's completely like losing for him. And if King F8. Also, this is quite good. Rook F1 though. Why do I have to do that? Oh, what happens here? Alright, this is dangerous. So I've gone into a forced mate there. Okay, I think I might have to turn off post-mortem analysis to the opponent as well. Okay, comments or questions on... Let's have a look at the forced mate. Did he actually do the forced mate in 9? Hang on, there's one more question. So the check. It's a forced mate in 9. Oh no, this is better. This is what he did, isn't it?
Check.
He played this. It's a forced mate in 9.
Check.
Yeah, it's a fun one. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.